wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
You look like an old maid.
You look like an old maid.
No, I'm a boy.
Yeah.
I can't be an old maid.
Maid doesn't mean girl. Maid means someone who cleans.
Oh.
Silly. Well, unless you're a maiden, then you're a girl.
Okay.
But you're a maid. You're an old maid. You're an old maid. Your hair is gray. You're made of clay.
I'm not. I have brown hair.
Yeah, you do have brown hair. But when you're old, it'll be gray.
Well, I said you're an old maid because we're playing Old Maid.
Old Maid! Oh, yay! The card game, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know how to play?
I think I do, but how about you help us, meaning the kids and myself, to remind us how to play the game?
Okay. I didn't know if it was my turn or your turn. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, so Old Maid is a card game, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna shuffle the cards, and then I'm gonna deal half the cards to Noah and half the cards to me.
Okay.
And then we put down all of our pairs. So
anything that matches up, we put down.
Yep. And then somewhere in one of our hands is the Old Maid, and we don't know where. And then
That's you. You're the old maid.
No, you're the Old Maid. You are.
Well, we'll just see, I guess.
We'll see, yeah. And then we take and you put your cards out, and I'll grab one of your cards, and if I get a pair, I put it down, and if I get the Old Maid, I have to keep it. And then you grab from my deck, and whoever ends up with the Old Maid at the end loses. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I got it.
Okay, are you ready to play?
I'm ready to play. Let's play.
Let's play. I'm gonna shuffle the cards now.
Hold on.
Oh.
Kids,
Yeah.
you get your Old Maid card set out, and then so you can play along too.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
We'll be right back.
Okay, we'll be right back.
You're gonna shuffle, and then you're gonna deal, and then it's my turn, right?
Yep, correct.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna start.
Okay.
Great.
So since you shuffled,
Yeah.
I get to go first, or what are we doing?
We have to. So now we look through our cards, and any pairs that we have, we put down. But just discard them because they don't count. We're just trying not to have the Old Maid.
Okay, I have.
Let's see. What do I
I
got?
have Sally Ski
Oh.
and Sally Ski.
Woo! I have. I think. Oops, I'm doing it high. I have.
I got Basketball Bill and another Basketball Bill. I already have 2 pairs.
Yeah, but that doesn't matter.
Oh,
I have Deli Dawn. And
but still, I got 2 pairs.
yeah, that's fine.
I got Teacher Tom. That's a 3rd pair.
Like, I did too good of a job putting my cards back together. What is happening?
Oh, look, I have Piano Pete. That's another pair.
It seems like I have to have more pairs, but I can't find them. Oh!
You got another
I
pair?
have, yep. I have Photo Fill and Photo Fill. And then,
I think I have another pair.
yeah.
Chloe Clown.
Ooh!
I got Chloe Clown and a second Chloe Clown. That's another pair.
And I have Stylist Susie and another Stylist Susie. Oh, and I have Police Penny and another Police Penny. Oh, and I have Maid Molly handmade, Molly. And I think that might be all I've got. Let's see. Have to double check. Yeah. I think that's all for me. Okay.
Oh no, I still have one.
You still have one.
I still have another
Wow,
pair.
you had a lot of pairs.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I have Garage Gus
Whew.
and another Garage Gus.
Sure is lucky for me that doesn't mean anything.
Okay, I think I'm now ready to play.
Okay, so now you can take a card from me.
I want this one.
Okay. And now,
Oh, Secretary Sandy.
yep,
I put her down?
yep.
Okay.
And now you hold your cards out and I'll take a card from you.
I'm gonna hold my cards like this.
Okay, and I'm gonna take that one. Dr. Dan! I got that. Okay, and here, hold on. My cards are,
My turn?
yep. Hold on, let me make sure my cards are spread. I don't think they're spread very good. Okay. Ooh.
Fireman Frank.
Yep.
Yeah, I got that pair.
Okay. And now me, yeah?
Yep. Now you.
Yours are better spread than mine. And oh, construction Calvin. I think I have that too. Hold on. Construction Calvin. And then hold on, I want mine to look as pretty as yours. Okay, your turn.
I want this one.
Okay.
Bully Bob. I
Bob.
got Bully Bob.
Bully.
Bully Bob doesn't seem like a nice guy.
No, he's kind of a bully.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's got a person smushed underneath him, huh?
Yeah, that's no fun.
It's funny. My turn.
Your turn.
I want this one. Ooh, I got Band Betty. He's playing music. Bum 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 bum.
Oh, Mailman Mike.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It's your turn. I only have one card left. I think I won.
Oh no.
I think I won.
Yeah, you won.
I won.
Aw. I got Ice Skater Sam, and then I have the Old Maid.
I won.
Wah.
Wonk,
Aw.
wonk.
Oh well.
Oh well.
Okay.
Good try.
Good try.
I won. I had the
Yeah.
most pairs, and
Yeah.
I wasn't the old maid. Ha 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 ha. But next time you'll probably win,
Yeah, probably.
because that's how it goes. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose.
Yep. It's a different every time.
Okay.
All right. Should we say goodbye?
Yeah, I'm ready for a snack, so I think we should say goodbye, and we'll see you next time, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. Let's go have a snack.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, kids. See you
Bye.
next time.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Dream again.
Dream again.
Bye.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
Do you see? We have mail. It looks like there's a giant bird in our mailbox.
Yeah, we got
Whoa.
mail again.
Yeah. I hope that bird has lots of food in there.
Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, actually, this way.
This way. Oh, wow. That's so amazing.
That's really nice.
Wow, this is a very, very pretty bird. Let me see who did this. Oh, it's from Jerome in Florida.
Jerome in Florida.
Yeah, look, it looks like he probably has seen a lot of tropical birds down there because this one is so good and so colorful. And
Yeah.
I like how it has like blue for the sky and maybe purple for a sunset and then some green for ground. Like you can put it different ways. Like this way it's the ground or this way it's like speeding through the sky, racing. Wow.
That's really impressive.
Yeah, and look at the bird's wings
Yeah.
and face. Wow, there's so much detail.
And it's so well drawn. Do you think I can put it up in my room?
Oh yeah, do you want to put this one in your room?
May I?
Yeah, of course you can.
Oh,
Noah.
thank you.
Do you mind if I come look at it sometimes?
No, we can even exchange. You
Oh,
know?
awesome. Yeah, let's trade that
We're
out.
so excited about all the mail that we've been getting. It's like every day we can put up a new picture.
Yeah, it's like getting presents all the time. I
Yeah.
love getting mail.
Yep, me too.
Yeah, it's very unusual, I think. Before we started asking you kids for mail, I don't think I almost ever got mail.
Yeah.
Now I like it.
Yep, me too.
Me too. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
We hope you guys all feel as special as us.
Yep.
You did a really good job, Jerome. You should be very proud.
Yeah. I'm very impressed, I have to say.
Me too. All right, we'll see you guys soon.
See you next time.
Bye. Happy drawing.
Happy drawing. Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!